Sometimes a song speaks what your heart can't say. When words disappear, when tears begin to fall, the music remembers for us.
Late at night when the world is sleeping, I sit alone and listen to the rain, thinking of the people I've been missing, holding on to memories through the pain. Pictures fade but love remains forever. Voices echo softly in my mind, even when tomorrow feels uncertain. Your love is something time cannot unwind, and every melody reminds me we are never truly far apart. God can heal the deepest broken places and gently mend a wounded heart. Sometimes a song speaks what your heart can't say. When tears are falling and hope fades away, it carries your prayers to the skies above, wrapping your soul inside God's love. Sometimes a song can say the words we hide and walk beside us through the darkest night. Though seasons change and people come and go, God's everlasting love will always show. From the mountains down to septic waters, from the islands to the highland breeze, every family has a story written, every heart searching for some peace. Though we stumble, though we may be broken, there is still a light beyond the pain. Hand in hand we'll rise together and learn to smile again. If tomorrow I forget your face, remind me with a simple song. If my strength begins to fade away, sing until I become strong. For love was never made to disappear, and faith was never meant to die. The songs we sing will carry us like birds across the sky. Sometimes a song speaks what your heart can't say. When life gets heavy and dreams drift away, it carries your sorrow and turns it to grace, and leaves a little light in every place. Sometimes a song becomes the voice of love, sent like an answer from heaven above. No matter where this journey may lead, God will always be the song we need.
La ring dispelle la song
You know stop one piece. One time you all send a holding because like belong. Sometimes a song speaks what your heart can't say.
Sometimes a song speaks what your heart can't say.